Hi, Inay Pasing. Happy birthday. Sana daw pan imo birthday na ma-celebrate. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Hello, Nay Pasing! Happy 104th birthday! Salamat, Nay! Hangin mga buli nga amon. And ganun mo kami papakaon. Basta nabisita kami ng imo. Di ko ito nakakalipan. Nakatungay kami ng imo. Imo kami dahil papakaon. Babarata ka. Kung nakakaon na ba kami uwaray. Tapos kami ka-smiling nga amon. Balik tayo ka pag-gusto ng Ariel. Salamat kami, Nay. Ayun na pagkaguol nga. Dili ka nakasilbi, dili ka nakakoy, damo kadugay ka na nagsilbi, hapon, mga apunin mo, yung mga anak, kadugay ka na nagsilbi, so ayun kabarata nga, di ka na nakasilbi, ikaw yan ang isisilbihan, total, kaya mo paman nga ni kumaon, kaya paman nga ni kumanta mo iyan. So, I hope, happy kaya nga alam ka kinabuhi, maupay nga, panlawas, ihatag pain ng Ginoo na malipayon ka everyday. Happy birthday again, Inay. Damot pa nga grasya maabot ha imo. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Pasing. I hope you enjoy your birthday to the fullest. You are very lucky to have your family around you celebrating your beautiful, wonderful, special day. And I hope for many years to come. You are an amazing lady. We adore you and we love you. And again, happy birthday to you.
Happy 104th birthday, Inay Pasing. Damo nga salamat. We love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nay. Get out. Happy birthday, Pasing. Nakita ko kami ng mga lawas. Nakalagay ka na, boy. Daw, salamat, Lola. Happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday, Pasing. Nakita ko kami ng mga lawas. Nakalagay ka na, boy. Daw, salamat, Lola. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nay. May this special day be filled with love, laughter, in all your favorite things. You deserve to be celebrating cherished. Thank you for being a constant source of guidance, wisdom, and willing support your present in our lives. Lives is a precious gift. Here's to another year in good health, happiness, and making unforgettable memories together. We love you, Inay, and happy birthday, Inay Pasing. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Nay! Happy birthday! We love you!
Hi, Lula Pasing! Mabuti nakarating ka na sa Manila para sa 104 mong birthday celebration. Bumabati ako na sana patuloy ka lang maging masaya, malusog at walang problema. At sana para poon uwi ako at makasama ka rin sa susunod mong mga birthday. So, happy 104! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday 104 Nay Pasing. What an amazing milestone. Wishing you a day filled of joy, love, and laughter. God bless. And this is from Lita from Canada and my family. Enjoy. We love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Nay! Hi, Nay! Happy 104th birthday! Stay healthy and more birthday to come, and kanang pasensya kayo wala mi kaara sa Manila nga mo celebrate sa imong birthday kay napa may klase, so dili mi ka larga og ara. Happy birthday, Nay!
Hi, Nay. Happy 104th birthday. Ampeng mo permidra niya. Wish you more birthday to come. Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and stay healthy.
Bye!
Happy birthday, Lola Pasing.
Imo kaupayan kada.
Mag-enjoy kan imo birthday dida.
Ano mo ginun kada ang birthday mo. Tagal na lang kami. Tama to.
I love you, Lola Pasing.
I love you, Lolo Pasing.
I miss you.
I miss you.